How to change to dark mode into the Encode application. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to change the theme to dark mode, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change to dark mode, tap on to settings at the top right corner. Select it, scroll down and here you can find the themes option right here. Now to change to dark mode, simply tap onto this blue button which is the night, tap on it. And now you can see you have simply changed it. Now to change it back to light, you can simply choose the same theme just like this. And that's it. This is how you can change to dark mode into the Encode application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.